Hey, good morning. Welcome back for my 2-second limb video. I can show the problem in my area. Every time the front they have no drillings, I can show you the so far for walking, go to the sanding for drilling only about the front. I can show you about the time. Then now, we have to start to assembly this one. It's okay. That happened, it's so far long for walking, go to the sanding department. That is my problem. Maybe sometimes waiting, sanding department have a special meeting or meeting, and I can show you the improvement or to the next video. By the way, in the part of the rower insertion, I can show you the improvement in our area. Okay, then I can show you this one for drillings. If they have no drilling. Then this my build or provide jig for easily to drill. Then no need to go sanding department for drilling only. First process, that's all. This is my new improvised jigs or built jig. Then the benefits are easily to drill, no need to walk. So far for sanding department. The deadly sins benefits also ways of motion, ways of waiting, and ways of potential. That's all. Thank you.